Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little random, but I thought I would still make it a video. I saw that I had a bunch of random clips that I thought I would just put together for you guys. So come spend a random couple of days with me, and we're going to be starting off with a haul. I did start talking in the beginning of this haul, but the construction next door was a little bit too loud once I listened to the clips back, and it would have been just too annoying for you guys, so I had to mute all of these clips and just do a voiceover. All right, starting off with a small haul from a store called Even Boy, which is a large chain here in Thailand. It's kind of like their version of Sephora, but to me it's better. You can get so many good things here at such an affordable price. Really quick, I got 2 brown mascaras. I've been loving brown mascara lately. 3 different brow pencils. I got a random highlighter because I love a good highlighter. I wanted to try that one out. And Ingu is my new favorite skincare line here in Thailand. I just got the cleanser. This is my second one, and I do have some other products from that line as well. Here in Thailand, the girls love good pajamas. You will see pajama shops all over the place, and they're always so cute. And Slip to Sleep is my favorite whimsical pajama line here in Thailand. Founded by women, they are known for their high quality fabrics, and they have the cutest prints. They do ship worldwide, so I'll have the link down below. These are Thailand's first no bra pajamas, which means the front pockets are triple lined, so it's perfect for if you have guests staying at your home or you're having movie nights with friends. Moving on to Urban Revivo, which is one of the stores I like to stop in every time I see it. They kind of remind me of Zara. Everything from trendy pieces, timeless pieces, and good quality basics. Next, I picked up some white leather strappy sandals from the store called Jazzpal. They have little pearl details on them. I don't have anything like this, and I love these. I needed some more workout shorts, so I picked these up, and these are literally the softest ones I've ever felt. Next, from Zara, I picked up this pinstripe, almost linen matching set. It has this really cute triangle top and the pants that tie up on the sides. It's super comfortable. COS is slowly becoming one of my favorite stores for good quality basics. It's definitely on the higher end side. I picked up a 100% linen maxi dress, and since they have some of the best t-shirts, I picked up this oversized boxy t-shirt in mint green. So next I have a handbag to share with you guys. It's from a brand called Pipatra, and they are going viral over here in Thailand. All the bags are made with 100% calf leather, and all the plastic pieces you see are made from recycled water bottle lids. All the bags are handmade, and I love how unique it is. This is a gift with purchase. It's a phone charm, which I think is so cute. Right, so this is probably 1 or 2 days later. I'm just making up my bed, and then I'm going to open up my new bedding. I'm gonna be doing a little weekend staycation downtown at the St. Regis, but I'm gonna throw it in the washing machine so it'll be nice and clean for when we come back. So I saw someone do this combo online, and I really loved how it looked, so I wanted to recreate it myself just to get away from the white sheets for a change. I went online and found an olive green sheet set along with these decorative pillow covers. I did get inserts as well, and this gray and white striped duvet cover. So if you remember in my previous videos, I mentioned getting some glass sliding doors for this space right here, just to close it in, because this will be our secondary like living area space. We do have a TV mounted on the wall, but we still have some work to do in here. So this room already has pocket doors, so adding these glass doors makes it totally enclosed if we needed it to be, and they're pretty much soundproof, which is really nice, and it also gives the downstairs a little bit more character. Like I said earlier, we're spending the weekend downtown at the St. Regis. Braden turned 13 this weekend, so we are celebrating him at a fancy hotel, and we're going to be doing some fun things downtown, which I did not record, but I'll show you guys what our room looks like. Anytime we stay somewhere, we always get 2 rooms, and here's what the kids' room looks like. So the hotel itself is really pretty. The staff is super nice. They give you some local fruit in your room along with bottles of water. There's also snacks and a mini bar, but here's what the kids' room looks like. Ours is pretty much the same. It just has a king bed. It feels like it might be a little bit bigger, but I'm not sure. Either way, it was a nice little staycation away for Braden's birthday. We are back from a long weekend away, which we had so much fun, but it's time to unpack and get back on track and ready for the week ahead. I'm gonna also put that new bedding on my bed to see if I like it. One thing we recently started doing when we moved here is every time we stay at a hotel, we do take advantage of the laundry service. So all we have to do is hang our clothes back up. This cosmetic case is 100% worth every penny. I will have it linked down below. Since we didn't stay too long, I didn't have a lot to pack as far as like cosmetics and skincare. I just packed all of the basics, and I just packed it in that one case. Alright, so I actually don't really care for it, but I'm gonna stick with it for a while. Maybe it'll grow on me. I'm trying pillows different ways on my bed just to see if it'll make it better. And also, I don't have anywhere to put these Euro pillows, so I'm gonna have to keep them on my bed unless I find a space for them in the house. It's just too many pillows for me. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.